Yeah, with the women's Big Ten tournament and the NFL Combine, of course, it's going to be a busy one downtown. Our Matt McCutcheon is live, working out, by the way, for the news Combine this morning. Looking good.
Good morning. Yeah, I'm trying, we saw the NFL Combine, how different businesses are doing their spin on it. I thought, what would we do here in television? So I've been getting my workout in. Ben told me to not stop when we last joined you live. So I've got a camera light that we always use, lights, camera, action, right? This has to weigh, gosh, I would say at least 250 pounds, the finest galvanized solid steel. And this camera's got to be 300 pounds as well. I mean, look at that plastic, finest plastic exterior. So I'm getting quite the burn in here this morning. Ready to go. Happy to be taking a break here to tell you just about what's going to be going on the city here this weekend. So I'm going to take a little sit down here and tell you about the Combine. So the Combine's going on this weekend, as well as the women's Big Ten tournament as well. So Indiana University is actually the one school that has players in both. They've got 5 who will be in the Combine. They also have the women's basketball Big Ten tournament game going on tonight as well. All told, this will generate a $10 million economic impact. The Big Ten will do about half of that, and combined, the two sports will bring some 80,000 people to the city of Indianapolis. So that's great news, but there's a little bit of bad news too. Some restaurants are going to have a little bit of a wait downtown, but check this out when it comes to the hotel rates, for example. Maybe you've got some friends or family in town who are going to stay the night somewhere. The Conrad next Friday, for example, will run you $195 a night. Not too bad of a price, but check this out. If you were to go tonight, the price tag is going to be nearly double that price at $342. So you can see the impact of having 80,000 people in the Circle City this weekend. So that's just some of the many different things we're finding. But Ben and Julia, strike while the iron's hot, I say. I'm going to go run over to Lucas Oil Stadium right now, and I'm going to go and audition for the Combine.
You better be careful. I just know you're going to have an accident.
Audition for the Combine. I've never heard that. I'm looking at Chuck. Love you, Matt.
Is that not how it works?
Not really.
No.